Good morning, beautiful people. It's your girl Camille back with another video. Wake up, let's get after the day. Let's go get this money. You feel me?
Shawty made that ass she don't need no flow. High fashion, I go yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor.
Good morning. It's your girl Camille your favorite realtor right here in North Carolina. Currently on my way to work, my full-time job. I am a dual career real estate agent, but next Friday will be my very last day at work and I'm going into real estate full-time and pretty much is going to be a work from home mom. Y'all, it's September and I put up my tree last night. Like, low-key, I'm ashamed, but like, you feel me? Like, I love the holiday season. All the things happen in the summer, and then as soon as summer over, fall begins, and then you have like football season and just like all the holidays. But I'm about to clock into my 9 to 5 job. I'm so excited, like, to be getting back into real estate full time. I just cannot wait. I really cannot wait. Y'all gonna be seeing me a lot more because I'm gonna have a lot more time on my hands. I plan to do a lot more home tours, a lot more YouTube videos, just a lot more of everything. If you're not following me on YouTube, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Go ahead and like it, give it a thumbs up so I know that you like it, so I can do more of these type of videos. Today I want to tell y'all, I work with the Keller South Park location, and we have like a private group with all of the agents. It's a little bit over 500 agents at the KW South Park location. So one of the agents had posted her listing in the group and basically asked if anyone was looking for an open house opportunity this weekend. So I definitely took that opportunity. It's brand new construction. The house is like gorgeous. It's already staged. It does have like a 2-car garage, like an area for a little office. I feel like it's like really nice. It has a nice level backyard. So I was like, okay, let me, you know, hop on that open house opportunity. It's been a little minute since I have actually done an open house because our weekends have been so busy. Like, we have not been in Charlotte, or I've been having to work like my corporate job. So I definitely wanted to hop back in the game when I get to work, like probably on my lunch break or something. I already like have flyer templates that I use. If you are trying to host an open house and like want to create flyers and stuff, if you're with Keller, we have like a platform where you can create those templates, or you can just use Canva. Everyone like uses Canva to create your templates. Also, another idea is to just go to Etsy.com. They also have like a lot of templates that are real estate friendly, that are already pre-made and pre-done for you, so you don't have to do anything. You just have to change like the text, the address, bedroom, bathroom, insert like your own pictures. So that's another little hack. My arm is hurting holding the camera like this. Let me hold it with the other arm because you go this time. What was I even saying? I lost my train of thought. Yeah, so that is one thing that I have to do, is just like prepare for the open house. Today I am going to print some flyers. Before I was not like printing flyers to take to the neighbors, but I do think that this time around I am going to print some flyers as like a keepsake to take around to the neighbors, just so that they have like my contact information and like more information about the house. In the future I will need to order some more open house signs, because right now I have a total of 11 signs, and the more signs you have, the better for like visibility. A lot of the people who do open houses at a very high level, they have at least like 20 signs to put out on the day before the open house. So in my case, it would be Friday. I'm going to host Saturday from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. So that's going to be really, really fun, and I'm really, really excited for it. Today is Wednesday, so ideally flyers done today. I can do a lot of social media marketing, just like a little bit, like post here and there. I want to be boots on the ground out in the neighborhood tomorrow, Thursday, and then also on Friday. So that's what we're gonna get done today, and when I finish my flyer, I'll come back on here and show y'all my little flyer. And this is just gonna be also an example of like what the Etsy templates look like. So if you go to etsy.com, etsy.com, and just type in like real estate Instagram templates or real estate newsletter or real estate, whatever you want to post, Facebook posts, you'll see like a number of options that you can choose from. And usually the cost is like super cheap. They even have like whole home buyer presentation templates, home seller presentation templates that you can buy, download, and customize it to your own brand, your own voice, and all of that through Canva. That's just a little something. So excited for my departure in a few weeks. I do feel like I'll be able to spend like more time with my kids and like start working out, just have like a little bit more free time as well with this transition, and hopefully like really knock out our goals. But yeah, I'm about to pull up to my job, so I will chat with y'all later. Just got to work. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and log into my emails, get my day started, and go from there. Our internet just went down at work, so I'm about to take a lunch. Since the computer went out at work, I am like at these little tables or whatever. And y'all know how this morning I was telling you I needed to create a flyer for the open house event. So I brought my laptop to work. I always pretty much bring my laptop to work in case I need to do stuff and like work on my lunch break or whatever. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and create the flyer. I'll show y'all when I'm done, and that way that can already be done. And then later today I may stop by the office to go ahead and print it out. That way I can start handing it out to everyone directly. So yeah, I have a lot of Facebook messages and like a lot of text messages and stuff to catch up on as well. So I'm gonna try to knock that out and then go from there. I literally just finished messaging all the people that I said I was gonna message and like catching up on all my messages. Y'all, somebody messaged me on Facebook to my business page, and sometimes like the business page go into the other folder, but they were like looking for a home back where I grew up, and they were already pre-approved, ready to go, and they just needed a realtor, someone to assist them. Y'all, I missed that message. Guess when that message was? April. Guess what this month is? September. So yeah, always be checking your, that could have been like a client, like easily. Like she was like, do you know anyone? And in my hometown, there's not a lot of us there for representation. So that could have been like an easy little, you know what I'm saying? But I sometimes do not check my messages like for like spam folder and stuff. And I need to start doing that because you can miss some business. Like, that is crazy. I said, I am so sorry. Like, I am just now seeing your message from April. Like, that is ridiculous. It's really ridiculous. But my lunch break is coming to an end, so I'm probably going to have to head back to my office. This is the final product. I'm just getting off of work. And I'm about to go home. I did end up finishing those flyers. Why is my hair looking like this? I'm about to take this mess down. This is like really hurting my head. I was listening back to the last vlog that I did with y'all, and my car be so loud. Y'all don't be saying nothing about my car. My car be so loud. It got like this big humming sound in the background of the video, so I need to invest in like a microphone for the car so it can kind of like block out the outside noise and can really tune in to the words that I'm saying, you know what I'm saying? But like that right there, I know y'all be like, what in the world do she got going on? But it is what it is. I'm home. Your girl is home. I am probably going to make a little something to eat, and then I'm gonna see if I can print my flyers really quickly before it gets dark outside, and then I'm gonna make my way over to Gastonia and try to preview the listing before the actual open house event on Saturday, get familiar with the neighborhood, and then if I have time after all of this I will also pass out the flyers that I print. Yep, I'm just making some spaghetti for dinner. What?
It's alright, he's okay.
Oh, God, it feel like I'm down. Oh, my goodness. I'm sorry. It's all right.
Hips. Oh, Mark.
This is gonna go away
Now you gonna talk about your belly?
by summer. Next summer.
Or the following. We'll be back again next year talking about the same thing. But then you be talking about, oh, next year, it's on. Same thing you said last year.
I got my body right this year, and then it went back left again. It was right. I was starting to tone up, and I gained like 15 pounds. And this is my flyer. So I am going to try to print it out at our computer, but this is like how it looks. I didn't want to put the address because I want people to like text me or email me for the address, or like if they have a question about how much it's going for, I want them to actually like contact me at my number and my email. Ooh, you almost there, Bryson. You trying to type some emails? Trying to send out the open house event? Okay. Little realtor in progress. Contractor. Don't mess up my computer now. Don't mess up my computer. Yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I just printed my flyer, so this is what it looks like. But it looks good. So I'm gonna do just a few of these and pass it out.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause.